Hello, I'm John Clarke and I'm here with Tim Liddell. We're introducing the 2 volumes of the Oplontis E-Book series. Volume 1, published in 2014, describes the ancient setting and modern rediscovery of Villa A at Torre Annunziata, commonly referred to as the Villa of Popea. Volume 2, published in 2019, describes the villa's decorations, including painting, stucco, pavements, and sculptures. Together, these volumes present the work of 31 scholars. They include art historians, archaeologists, historians, chemists, botanists, and many other specializations. These publications represent a new paradigm for scholarly publication, thanks to the American Council of Learned Societies and the University of Michigan's Fulcrum Publishing platform. They are completely free and open access, meaning they may be viewed and downloaded by anyone with an internet connection. The publications are also born digital. They have been designed explicitly for an on-screen reading experience, with internal hyperlinks and high-res color images.
This video walks through several features of the Oplontis eBooks, offering tips for those interested in reading and referencing this work. Let's start by navigating to the Oplontis eBooks dashboard on fulcrum.org. Type Oplontis Volume 1 or Oplontis Volume 2 into your browser's search bar. Click on the top search result leading to fulcrum.org monographs. The landing page on fulcrum.org is a sort of dashboard providing several ways to enter into the Oplontis eBook and search its contents. The 2 main buttons allow you to choose between online and offline formats. Select Read Book for immediate online reading in your browser. Otherwise, select Download for offline reading. This will save an EPUB file to your computer that can be opened by any ebook reader. More about these options in a moment. Lower on the same page, you will see a tab labeled Resources with a list of illustrations. Enter a keyword in the search bar to cull this list. For example, a search for bird turns up 9 illustrations. You may click on any of these entries to pull up a dedicated resource page with additional info and options. The Table of Contents tab includes a list of all chapters and sections of the ebook. Click on any header to link into the online reader. Note that it is always possible to return to the Table of Contents by clicking on a highlighted section header. From the online reader, it is also possible to return to the dashboard at any time by clicking on the X at the upper left of the screen.
Once the online ebook is open in your browser, you have several display options. Click on the gear icon at the top right to access preferences. Here, you can adjust default text size and scrolling. While reading, if you are interested in a specific figure, click on View Resource or View Asset to open the figure's dedicated resource page in a new tab. Here you will find the same info and options that we saw in the bird example. You can zoom into photographs by using the buttons at the top left. Many of these images are quite large, so consider clicking on the Expand button to enter into full screen mode. Plans and charts do not have the same zooming options as photographs, but you may download them as PDF files and expand them in any PDF viewer. Endnotes are indicated throughout the body text with blue numbers. Click on any endnote number to jump to the corresponding note. From there, click on the same number to return to where you were in the text.
The Oplontis eBook may also be read offline using your preferred ebook reader. This is a good option for anyone expecting to go without internet for some period of time, or for those wishing to add their own bookmarks and annotations. Start by downloading the EPUB file from the Fulcrum dashboard as mentioned earlier. If you don't have an ebook reader already, we suggest you download and install Calibre from calibre-ebook.com. This is a free software that allows you to search through book contents, adjust page display, and save custom bookmarks. You will need to select your operating system and indicate the type of device you are using, whether it be a computer, tablet, or phone. Once installed, open the Oplontis EPUB file downloaded from fulcrum.org and begin reading. Note that illustrations in the offline version are low resolution only. Clicking on View Resources or View Assets will link to the online resource page on the Fulcrum server. In the offline version, clicking on an EndNote number will open a pop-up window with the corresponding note. In both online and offline versions of the ebook, paragraph numbers have been included for citation purposes. A citable link is included on the ebook dashboard and on each of the dedicated resource pages. Please copy and paste the link into bibliographical lists and notes.
That's all you need to know about navigating the ebook. To learn more about the Oplontis project and to stay up to date on future research and publishing, visit our website, oplontisproject.org, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. We hope you enjoy exploring these resources and discovering for yourself the extraordinary history of Oplontis.